Hello friends, today the focus is on the Audi R6 e-Tron 2026, a new star of the electric sports class, which combines bold design, powerful technology, and signature German drive. In deep metallic midnight blue paint and with futuristic shapes, this car instantly attracts attention. If you love power, style, and advanced technology, like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. From the front, we are greeted by an aggressive muzzle with OLED laser headlights, emphasized by a wide quattro grille with backlighting. The signature lines of the hood smoothly flow into sharp sides, and the massive bumper with aerodynamic elements hints that this is not just an electric car, but a real sports car of the future. The rear of the Audi R6 e-Tron looks no less impressive. A solid LED strip with animated turn signals and the R6 e-Tron inscription, a powerful diffuser and a wide pillar, create the image of a car that can handle any track. The profile of the car is pure perfection. Smooth aerodynamic lines, frameless doors, and huge 22-inch diamond-cut wheels emphasize the sporty spirit of the model. And all this is surrounded by an ultra-modern Audi showroom with red ambient lighting and digital walls, on which the history of Quattro literally comes to life. The interior of the Audi R6 e-Tron is a futuristic cockpit, a minimalist dashboard with wide-format OLED displays, touch control, and sports seats in black leather with blue stitching. Silence, technology, and a sense of absolute control reign here. Under the hood is a powerful twin-engine unit, neatly hidden under a transparent hood with backlighting. Everything is thought out to the smallest detail, and the powertrain elements stand out effectively against the background of the futuristic showroom. On the road, the Audi R6 e-Tron in deep metallic midnight blue looks like a guest from the future. Laser headlights cut through the night, and the body reflects the city lights like a mirror. Sharp start, instant response, and absolute silence. This is a new level of sports electrics. Well, friends, if you like this futuristic Audi, put a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget about the bell so as not to miss the next episodes. Write in the comments which electric gun to show next. See you soon. It will be powerful and technologically advanced.